210.35. So first of all, under the index mark, rotate to get 210 degrees. There's 210 degrees. Move your blue dot down to 0, and then down from the 0 you go to 35. That is 10, 20, 30, 35 knots is here for the wind speed. We then rotate the bezel round for our first track, which is 079, beg your pardon, 067. So 067 on the bezel round to 067. There we go, 067. Our dot is up here now. We move the dot down to the vertical lines, and we will draw a vertical line down from that dot. So take your ruler and draw a vertical line down from the dot. Having drawn that, we then need to move our blue dot up to the true airspeed of the aircraft. In our case it is 90 knots, so we move it up to the 90 knots. And if you have a look now at the line that we drew, it's not lining up with the underneath fan line, so we rotate the bezel until it lines up, and when it does line up we can read off under the index mark. This is now the true heading, it's 081. So we can write down 081, and we can add 1 degree for the variation onto it, and this becomes 082. So I'll just change that, 081, 082. Now in addition to that, if you have a look at the computer here, where your dot is our ground speed. So if we have a look at that, we're on 110 here, 120, and
119.
Well, it's actually 116 because each one of these is 2. So we have 116 here, so we can put in 116 into here. Now that we have the ground speed, we can turn the computer over and line up our red triangle with our ground speed, which is 116. Here's 110, here's 120, so moving it to 115, 116 there. We can now read off, we'll have a look and find our distance. Now distance is on the outside scale here, so there's 12, this is 12 nautical miles. That's 6 minutes, that's 7 minutes, so it looks like 6.25 minutes, 6.25 minutes. So we can put in 6.25 minutes here. And that's all there is.
Okay.
Stop.